Nihilum multiplication. Nihilum multiplication for the two numbers near to same working basis. What are working bases? Working bases are multiples of real bases. For real base 10, working bases are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. For real base 100, working bases are 200, 300, 400, 500 and so on. For real base 1000, working bases are 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 and so on. So these are working bases. Let us read the algorithm. Let n1 and n2 be the two numbers near the same working base, and d1 and d2 are the deviations for n1 and n2 respectively. Calculate the ratio R of working base to real base. Okay, now how to do it? See, if given number is 32 and second number is 28, which is nearest working base for the two numbers 32 and 28, which is nearest working base for the two given numbers 32 and 28. Is it 10? No. Is it 20? No. Is it 40? No. It is 30. Obviously it is 30 because see, working base is 30. 30 is nearest working base for 32 and 28 as well. Okay, now 30, working base 30 is 3 multiple of 10. 10 is real base. See, for 32 and 28, 30 is nearest working base, and for 32 and 28, 10 is real base. So next you have to calculate the ratio R of working base to real base, that means 30 to 10. Ratio of 30 to 10, that means 3 to 1. So this is ratio R. We are going to use this ratio while calculating left part. Let us read again. Let n1 and n2 be the two numbers near the same working base, and d1 and d2 are the deviations for n1 and n2 respectively. How to calculate the deviation? See, you have to subtract nearest working base from the given number. You will get deviation for that number. Calculate the ratio R of working base to real base. Now, starting from right side, first of all calculate right part. How to calculate right part? Calculate the product of deviation 1 and deviation 2 and write the product in right part. How to calculate left part? See, either add n1 and d2 or add n2 and d1. See, either n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1. Write the sum in left part and multiply that sum by ratio R, this ratio. I'll repeat, write the sum n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1 in the left part and multiply that sum by ratio R, this ratio. So step number 3. Number of digits in right part should be equal to number of zeros in the real base for the number n1 and n2. So excess digits, if any, should be passed to left part, and if deficit of digits, then write the number of zeros at the left side of existing digits in the right part to fill up the deficiency. Step number 4. Remove slash and write final answer. So friends, let us practice sufficient number of examples to understand this Nihilum multiplication for the two numbers which are near the same working base.